All right, well, grab yourself a cold beverage, preferably something British that tastes like apples that, maybe got in a bar fight, because today we're heading to Somerset, England for the biggest nudist festival in the entire United Kingdom. That's right, hundreds of people camping together with one very important thing missing, and that's laundry. Welcome back. Today we're talking about Nudefest, where the dress code is basically, nah, I'm good. And if you've ever wondered what happens when a bunch of naturists spend a week together in an English countryside, you're about to find out. Spoiler alert, nobody gets arrested, nobody cares what anybody. And surprisingly, there are fewer awkward moments than you'll find at your average family reunion. So whether you're a longtime naturist, a curious first-timer, or you just enjoy hearing about unique travel destinations, stick around, because this festival is much more than people hanging out without clothes. Let's get into it. Every summer, the rolling hills of Somerset transform into the home of Britain's biggest naturist gathering. It's called Nudefest, and it's hosted by British Naturism. Now, if you've never been to a nudist event before, you might imagine it's just a bunch of naked people wandering around trying not to sit on hot picnic benches and okay, there's a little bit of that going on. But it's actually a full-on holiday festival with camping, entertainment, sports, workshops, music, food, and enough social activities to make your introverted cousin fake a stomachache. There is seriously something happening all day long. Yoga, volleyball, swimming, dance classes, arts and crafts, live music, nature walks, pétanque, which for my American friends is kind of like bocce ball, kind of after the French got involved with it. Honestly, if you ever get bored here, it's probably because you wandered into the wrong field. The thing people rave about isn't actually being naked, it's the people. It's designed to be a relaxing holiday where everyone can participate as much or as little as they want. One of the things people mention over and over after attending is the sense of community. For many newcomers, walking through the gate can be intimidating. You know how it goes. But within a few hours, most say they're chatting with complete strangers like they've known them for years. Without expensive clothes, fancy watches, or status symbols, people tend to connect on a much more personal level. It's amazing how quickly everyone becomes, normal. Who knew pants were causing all the problems? And let's talk about the location. Somerset is famous for its rolling green hills, historic villages, cider farms, and beautiful countryside. If you're traveling from outside the UK, Nudefest makes a great excuse to explore southwest England before or after the festival. Stonehenge, Bath, Cheddar Gorge, and the Jurassic Coast are all within reasonable driving distance. And that's a pretty incredible vacation if you ask me. It's old pubs, cider, lots and lots of cider. Now, if you combine cider with British weather, you might experience all 4 seasons before lunch. One minute you're sunbathing, and the next minute you're wondering if Noah's about to build another ark. So pack sunscreen and an umbrella, and maybe you'll use them both at the same time. Then comes the evening entertainment. Live bands, comedy, dancing, theme nights, campfires, people laughing until way too late, probably because somebody told a dad joke, the world's worst, for the 15th time. But it's basically summer camp for grown-ups, except nobody's yelling at you, put your shirt back on. Here's my favorite part. First-timers, you can almost spot them immediately. They're the ones standing there wondering, am I really doing this? 5 minutes later, they're asking where the volleyball tournament starts. It's amazing how quickly your brain adjusts and you stop noticing the nudity. And you start noticing who's really good at trivia. Or who's cheating at cards. I'm looking at you, Cedric. You know what you did. One of the coolest things about Nudefest is that it reminds people what Naturism is actually about. It's not about showing off, it's about body acceptance, friendship, freedom, and realizing everyone has the potential of having weird tan lines. Every single person. So would I go? Absolutely. Mostly because it sounds like one heck of a party, and partly because I would like to finally get to pack for a week-long vacation using a backpack the size of a lunchbox, Imagine getting through airport security with one carry-on. That's living the dream right there. So have you ever been to Nudefest? Would you go? Or are you sitting there thinking, fossil, England is cold enough with clothes on? Well, let me know down in the comments. Be brave. If you enjoyed today's adventure across the pond, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell. So until next time, stay adventurous and maybe pack just a little lighter. But don't forget the sunscreen. We'll see you in the next one.